A very warm welcome to one and all. My name is Avni Atri and I am a psychologist and teaching faculty at Unique Institute of Behavioral Sciences. Today I am going to tell you everything that you need to know about the course MA in Psychology. So firstly, what is this course all about? It is a 2-year postgraduate program that is offered by many government and private universities, both central and state government and private universities and colleges. This course basically seeks to give you more information or insight about human behavior and mental processes. You get to understand the why, how, and what of human behavior. You are able to understand it in a better way and deal with the issues related to mental health. Second question that comes across is what is the eligibility to do this course? आप में क्या क्या आपका previous background क्या होना चाहिए to do this course? So the eligibility for some very few colleges, the eligibility is graduation in psychology itself. But most of the colleges give you the relaxation that if you have a graduate degree in any subject, even if you have done BTech, you can do a MA in psychology after that. So it is not as strict as कि आपको पहला previous background होना ही चाहिए psychology में to do a post graduation in psychology. Most of the colleges में ये relaxation होता है. Then comes the third question कि admission कैसे लें? How to get admission? How to get through the process of this MA psychology? So the admission criteria for most of the colleges is through an entrance exam and an interview followed by it. So the entrance exams usually focus on the basic concepts of general psychology, cognitive, organization, research and statistics, physiological psychology, etc. And then if you clear that entrance exam, you get through the next step, that is the interview. After that, usually you get an admission based on the merit. In some colleges, this admission criteria is not there at all. This whole admission entrance exam criteria is not there at all. You can get admission only through merit only. Then comes the fourth question कि अगर entrance exam है, then how to prepare for it? If you have a background in psychology, it won't be very tough for you to get through the entrance exam. Usually अगर आपके पास proper resources, books, notes वगैरह available हैं and you work hard towards it, you will get through it. But यहाँ प्रॉब्लम उन लोगों के लिए आती है जिन्होंने डिस्टेंस से ग्रेजुएशन किया है साइकोलॉजी में या जिन्होंने कभी भी पहले साइकोलॉजी नहीं पढ़ा, या अगर आपके पास ग्रेजुएशन है भी साइकोलॉजी में, यू आर स्टिल नॉट वेरी क्लियर विद द कॉन्सेप्ट्स, वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी नहीं है, देन प्रॉब्लम आती है यूजुअली अगर आप DU, BHU जैसे कॉलेजेस में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हो, इट गेट्स रियली टफ टू क्रैक द एंट्रेंस. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप दैट आई वुड सजेस्ट एवरीवन इज गेट द रीडिंग मटीरियल. जो भी आपके टॉपिक्स, आप अगर किसी भी कॉलेज का एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का क्राइटेरिया खोल के देखोगे, आपको टॉपिक्स मिलेंगे कि किस किस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो ट्राई टू अक्वायर द रीडिंग मटीरियल दैट यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट एग्जाम. मेक अ टाइम टेबल एंड टाइम टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग टॉपिक वाइज एक एक करके एक एक टॉपिक को प्रिपेयर करिए. नाउ देयर आर मैनी स्टूडेंट्स जिनको जो यूजुअली अपने आप प्रिपेयर नहीं कर पाते हैं. For these students, UIBS is offering a course that helps you prepare for MA in psychology. I myself am a teaching faculty there also. Now, the programs that we offer are based on 4 different criteria. So we have basically 4 different programs. The first program is the blended coaching, where you get live doubt classes. You get all the topics in the form of recorded classes. You can go through those recordings again and again and again, and also clear your doubts after going through the recordings. If you have any doubts or confusions, you can have live doubt classes with the teachers. You also get access to a reading material that will be couriered to you as a hard copy to your address, given address. Also, along with these, you will get access to chapter test and mock test that will help you prepare for the MCQs in a better way. Second course that we offer is the e-learning course, where you get all of these things, just the live classes are not there. Now, this is a very, very good course for those who are either working or they have their exams, who cannot, they cannot sync their timings, their convenient timings with the classes. So because the classes का एक set time होता है, उस time पे classes होती हैं. अगर आपका schedule ऐसा है कि आप उस time के साथ sync नहीं कर पा रहे हो, then the e-learning course is really good. You get access to all the recordings. हर वो topic जो आपके entrance exam में आ सकता है, उनकी recorded classes हैं. These are like live classes. Usually आपको proper क्लासेस रिकॉर्डेड फॉर्म में मिलेंगी, जहां पर एक बोर्ड का यूज किया होगा और इट विल बी अ ऑनलाइन बोर्ड जिस पर पेन से यूजुअली लिखकर सारे टॉपिक्स को समझाया गया होगा. सो इट इज वेरी थरो, इट इज रियली गुड एंड द नोट्स आर ऑल्सो देयर. So you will get access to those recordings. You can go through them over and over again. You will again also get reading material, chapter test and mock test. The third course that is there is the reading material course, where you don't get the recordings and the live classes. You only get the reading material, the chapter test and the mock test. And the final fourth course is the mock test only, where you get chapter test and mock test only. No reading material etc. is provided. Obviously, because there are these 4 different courses and sometimes एक बार में हमें concept नहीं समझ आता, so the validity for all these courses is 1 year. So अगर आपने से आपके पास सारी recordings आ गई हैं, आपने एक बार उनको पूरा देख लिया है, now what you do if you want to revise? You can go through these recordings over and over again for a time period of 1 year. आप एक साल में 10 बार देखो, 15 बार देखो, 20 बार देखो, जितने बार आपको रिवाइज करना है, you can go through those recordings so that आपके जितने doubts या confusions हैं वो clear हो जाते हैं. If you want to know more about this course, you can read a blog on this that I've prepared. The link for that blog is given right here. And if you want to know more about these courses or enroll into any one of these courses, the link that you have to register on is www.uibsdel.org. Thank you and have a nice day.